Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is Topic Beauty. We're going to do a super short eye look today, possibly lips at the end. Stick around. So I'm about to do my eyes. We are going to use this Colourpop Darth Vader palette. That was the front. This is the back. The inside of the carton. It's all like the galaxy. Cute, cute, cute. The component looks exactly like the carton. Cute. Shade names on the back. So if you guys saw my last video, or the one before that, I think, no, I don't remember, one or two before, I bought this because of this red, but then there's this black underneath it with sort of like a red reflect in it. I'm going to use that today. Very, very excited. I've got this Sigma brush. It's a crease brush. It's a blending brush. It's E38, and I'm going to pick up that red right off the bat with the tip of my brush, and we are going to go for it. It's cute. Cute. I'm just going to take that and flick it right here at the end up to my eyebrow. Like that. We're just going to follow that again because I want more intensity. It's a little shimmery, which is exactly what I want. It's not like metallic-y, kind of. I don't know if that's the right word. The other eye, I have a small, very dense blending brush. It's a dual fiber. It's, see the darker and then the lighter. The bottom fibers are really, really dense, and then the top fibers are a little more fluffy, but still this one's very dense. It's very tapered. It looks almost like a larger pencil brush. And this is a brush by Ruby. Don't know where I got it. It doesn't have a name. But I am going to pick up that color Dark Side right underneath. And boy, we're just going to do this little corner right here. Literally, that's it. The red reflect that's in this color kind of goes away. And I wouldn't say this is jet black, but it's good. It's nice. I like it. All right, so the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this NYX glitter glue. I keep calling it glitter glue. It's actually called glitter primer. So I'm just going to take that on the back of my hand, that glitter primer. And this is a Morphe M124 brush. It's a concealer brush. And I'm going to put that all over the lid, all the way up. I'm just going to sort of outline my eyeball. And then I'm going to take this flat, it's a precision shader brush. It's nice for packing on color. It is from Luxie, Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. And we are going to pick up this color right here, which is called Stormtrooper. I don't know anything about Star Wars. I know. Shame on me, but I don't care. I don't particularly care to sit and watch movies. I almost always fall asleep. Or I just get up and start doing something that I find more interesting than sitting on my ass. It's fine if you like to sit and watch movies. It's cool. I'm not sitting here judging people who watch movies. I just can't. I used to be able to sit and watch stuff, but Not so much anymore. I'm going to try it with my finger and see what happens. I'm going to fuzz on my finger from my towel. So yeah, I even kicked it up a notch with the that is so cute, so cute, so cute. All right, we're gonna go back to the original brush, take some more of that primer, and do the other eye. On the next color I'm gonna pick up is this one right here. It is called Sith Lord. I was gonna say Smith, S-I-T-H Lord. I'm just gonna use this smudger brush. This isn't It Cosmetics brush. I think it's It Cosmetics. I don't know how long I've had this brush. I don't know where you can get it, this particular brush, but there are other smudger brushes out there that you can get. I'm just going to put this right underneath. Next thing I'm going to do is pick up this color right here, the silverish color, gray color in the corner called Death Star on my finger, and I'm just going to kind of tap it, kind of smudge it a little bit into the black and into the kind of creamy color. Just to sort of give that a kind of smudgy gradient look. Okay, and on a quite fluffy dual fiber, again, Hank and Henry brush, this is called Savvy. I'm going to pick up this color right here in the middle, which is called Imperial Forces. I'm going to pick that up and I'm going to tap it off, and I'm just going to do right under my brow just to smooth out this red a little bit. It's pretty much the same color as my skin, so it's not going to really add. It's a little bit grayer, but that's fine. Okay, so I finished my eyes. I just did my brows, my mascara, and my eyeliner. I used a black eyeliner. And I made a mess with my eyelash, or my eye mascara. Like there's lip mascara or something. Anyway, this is cute, but we're not done because I'm never done. I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty highlighter. It's called Kilowatt, I believe. No, it's called Metal Moon. I've got this cute little L16 Laura Los Angeles pencil brush, and I'm going to take that just like that, and I'm going to inner corner highlight. It's very subtle, but that's all I want. I could actually probably go without something, but I can't go without something. I need to have it. I need it in my life. Inner corner highlight all day, every day. Okay. Okay, and then we've got this highlighting brush from Lunar Beauty. It's an LBF6, I believe. Yes. We're going to pick up that highlighter, and we're just going to hit the top of the cheeks. This one, how can I explain this highlighter? It kind of looks like you're just a little bit misty from being sweaty. Not that being not that being sweaty is all that sexy, but that little bit of gleam that you get. It's like, oh, hey, hi, how are you? Can I come talk to you? And then they come talk to you and you're like, no, sir, get away. You have cooties because you're a boy. Get away from me. Cute. Okay, that's the face. That's the look. I like it. I think it's cute. I think it's fun. Maybe the red is not for everybody, but I think everybody could wear it. This little eyeshadow palette, really, really cute. I'm so glad I bought it. I wasn't going to because it was I wasn't going to, because I was like, oh, the only color I want to try is the red. But I'm glad I bought it because this look turned out. I love it. It's so cute. Anyway, that's the face. That's the look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with a friend. And don't forget to make a comment down below. What do you think about this look? I think it's cute. I like it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Last question, I'll leave you alone. Do you have stuff on top of the wash? I'm going to wash some stuff later.
No, there's nothing there.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if you used that as a loading base.
A loading base? Like my loading dock?
Yeah, for all of this stuff, new stuff you get. Gotta go somewhere.
I don't put it there.
Oh.
Okay. Anyway, sorry. I wanted to show you that it makes your teeth look pretty white. My teeth aren't incredibly yellow, but they have a little bit of yellow. I should probably do something about that, but why am I saying this? I should probably do something about my disgusting teeth. Anyway, look at, how come y'all didn't tell me my eyebrows looked fucking jacked? You didn't tell me that I jacked up my eyebrows when I put on my headband. All right. I'm gonna